Doing a little mirror conversion for my car. I have a 1.4 turbo, it's pretty much a base model Jetta. They don't come with the turn signal mirrors, as you can see. Now, I've already taken off the, this, what should be there. I've already taken that off. It's very easy. You can look up tutorials, on other tutorials on YouTube. I just wanted to see if this is the actual port for the mirror. It goes into here. Now, as long as it's we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 12. This looks like a 12-prong little piece here. There's 5 slots covered, which means like there's like 5 cords that work for it. So as long as like it's 12-prong, it should fit. Now I purchased off of some guy on Facebook Market. This is a mirror from Mk6 model. So it's the pre-facelift model. As I said, mine's the facelift. So mine's a 2017. This one I think was 2012 or something like that. Either way, it came with the turn signal lights. Mine didn't. But as you see, it has the same connector. But it has, instead of the other one had 5 slots covered, this one has 6. So I'm just gonna plug this in real quick to see if it works. Give me a second. I'm not gonna be able to see very well. Alright, it's plugged in. Now let's see, I'm gonna turn these on, my hazard lights. See if that works. Okay. Works perfectly. Turn it off. Hold on, let me turn it on. Actually, turn it on. Alright, I'm gonna turn my turn signal blinker on. Left side, so yep, still works. And in sync. So yeah. Literally plug and play. I didn't have to use a badge com or anything like that. I said badge com. Oh. Anyways, so yeah. It's just for anyone who's wondering if it works. It's possible. Conversion. At least mine is plug and play. I just gotta take these off and make sure that I gotta make sure that the other features work, like the mirror heating and the motor that makes it move. So I'm pretty sure it will, and it should be a snug fit. Alright, so update. So everything has been installed. The mirrors, the motor works. Turn signal on the left. Yeah. You can't see it right now because it's daytime. A little closer. See it flash. Yep. Later I'm going to put on the dynamic blinkers. go.